Did you see the huge holes they've been digging?
Yep.
Hey everybody.
Hi.
Humphrey family Holsteins here, but today we're dealing with the doggies. My wife is the giver of the medicines. I'm not so good with the needle, so she's done it before, but not on dogs. So this is going to be interesting. We're going to do one dog at a time.
Yeah.
You sure you want to not put one up while we do one? And
You
because
can put one up. You good, please?
I don't. I have my slippers on. I can't walk out in the grass. Yes, people, we come prepared here. Yeah, not going to be able to do it. Sorry. Y'all don't know what's coming.
I don't either.
So we got, I'm not sure what that is, bacterial extract.
And I just mix it in with this vial and shake it.
And
Not a
what is it for?
There you go.
It is for canine immune oh, so it's a few different things.
Should be.
Distemper, some other things I can't pronounce. Leptosiprcarnocholigrippotolifosio. And Icterecamorigile pomona. So in other words, some stuff they shouldn't have. You ready? Because I'll bring them up here. On here. You know where you want to give it?
Back of the neck.
Back of the neck. All right. Come here, Moose. No, Goose. Come on. Up here. No. Who's first?
Just pick one.
Here we go. Come on.
Oh. He's like, no. Clean it up, clean it up. Hold on.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Okay, Moose is done. Little Moose. Now for Big Goose. Good boy. Good boy. Hope mommy did that right. Hope mommy did that right. Oh, why are you shaking?
I hope I did too.
Why are you shaking? Oh, it's getting all over me. Good boy. You didn't do nothing wrong. No. Oh, Jesus. Get. This is not what we do here. I'm ignoring them. I'm ignoring them, just looking at the tree. If you've seen our videos, you know that our dogs have very little manners. We tried to work with them a little bit, but it was just, we didn't try enough. And they become rowdy and out of control. They're very friendly. I mean, that's the only problem, is that they're too hyper, you know what I mean? They're very friendly, they're very loving. They're about, how old do you think they are?
They are
7 months old?
7 months old, yes.
They're from the same litter. Goose is the big one, Moose is the runt. And we got them when we first moved here, and we put them up in their kennel at night. During the day, they have run of the place, and there hasn't been much training. We did some those alert collars, like the beeping and the shocking and stuff like that, but they didn't respond to them. And actually, they could barely keep them on. They were always chewing them off and stuff. And all right, you ready to do this? Just gonna do it while he's standing here, or do you want him to come up there?
You can do it.
Sandra. Just
All right.
make sure you have a hold on him.
All right,
Hi.
go ahead.
Hi, Goosey Goose. Oh.
Go ahead. I got goose or moose.
You got his collars right where I need them.
Okay, we need him up here then.
Come here.
I got him.
Okay.
Oh, you're getting heavy. All right, take. Oh, really? All
That's how it goes.
right, let's do it down here.
We're so prepared for this. Come here. Guess we'll go right there. Why were you so easy?
Okay. You're first of all, you're squirting that stuff.
Yeah.
Just come here.
Good job, buddy. Good job, Goose.
Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, I know, it's so sore, huh? Yeah, there you go. Disinfected.
Is that all for them?
That is it.
That could have gone smoother. Anyways, just another thing we have to do here. Humphrey Family Holsteins. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like us.